hope you all are having an amazing day. Thank you so much for being here. I do truly appreciate it. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. My name is Nikki and we do all kinds of fun unboxings from beauty, jewelry, pets, snacks, lifestyle, everything in between. So if you are into unboxings, this is definitely the channel for you. Also guys, don't forget we do have quite a few giveaways going on right now. They will be linked down below, so definitely enter if you have not already. And please give the video a thumbs up, that really does help me out. But as you can see from the title down below, today we're going to be doing the November 2019 FACETORY. I love this subscription because I love sheet masks. Now, this is the Forever Fresh. FACETORY does have two different subscription plans. They have this one that is, again, Forever Fresh. It's 4 masks. It's $8.90 a month. And then they do have their 7 Luxe. And I believe that is $19 and some change each month. And that you receive 7 masks. So I do have a link I will put down below if you would like to sign up for FACETORY if you have not yet. And it will actually get you some bonus masks with your first order. So let's get in here and see what we got for November 2019. I love the variety of sheet masks, and I have quite the collection now thanks to FACETORY and of course other boxes, but you can never have too many sheet masks. All right. So they include a little postcard every month, which I think is fun. And it says, "Thank you, FACETORY fam," and it has a little cake. I do believe this is their birthday month. So that is appropriate and cute. Let's see. And then we have our sheet here that will tell us about each of the masks. What I really like is they do include the retail price of each mask and go over in detail kind of what the mask is gonna do, the key ingredients, things like that. So this says, "November Forever Fresh. Happy birthday to FACETORY. This November, we are celebrating FACETORY's 3rd birthday, and we wanted to say a big thank you. Whether you've been with us since the beginning or recently subscribed, we couldn't have done it without you. It truly brings us joy seeing all the positive feedback and amazing skin transformations from you all. With that said, this month's batch is packed with skin protecting sheet mask and skincare goodies. Get in the mood to celebrate while treating your skin." So that is fun. All right, so our first mask is a FACETORY branded mask, and it says Everyday Almond. Oh, it says, "I'm nuts for you." Skin strengthening mask. Right there. And this guy says, "Treat your skin to a strengthening mask with sweet almond oil." It says, "Why we love it. This mask makes our skin feel smooth and moisturized. It helps brighten our complexions, fade dark spots, and even out skin texture. Packed with ingredients from sweet almond oil, this sheet mask helps promote healthy skin by smoothing out fine lines and creating an oh so soft surface. It's plant-based, free of harsh chemicals, and gentle on all skin types." And the key ingredients are sweet almond oil and jojoba seed oil. And the retail price of this mask is $3.50. So I haven't tried an almond mask, so I'm excited to try that. All right, and this looks pretty. This looks like really pretty. Like the packaging, but you can even kind of see the mask folded up in there. Looks like it has roses, gold roses on it. I'm not even going to attempt to say the name. It's NOHJ. Herbs Fit Sheet Hortensia. So let's see what that means. A moisturizing sheet mask packed with herbal extracts and botanical essence to help your skin feel refreshed and hydrated. Why we love it. This beautiful gold-laced sheet mask is a saving grace when it comes to dry skin. A great go-to for the cooler months. And it has hydrangea leaf extract. It says this ingredient helps improve skin tone and reduce the appearance of sun and age spots. And then it has blueberry fruit extract, an antioxidant-rich ingredient that helps protect skin while also adding moisture. This is a $3 value. And then we have Fresh Food for Skin facial, I can't talk tonight, I apologize. Facial facial sheet mask. This is plumping, and this is cranberry. So there is that. Appropriate for November. And let's see. Farm Skin, fresh food for skin facial sheet mask. Again, it's in cranberry. Feel revitalized with the sheet mask packed with skin-saving ingredients that soothe and protect. Why we love it, rich in cranberry extract, the sheet mask not only plumps up our complexion, but also heals and smooths out our breakouts and dry patches. The key ingredients are cranberry fruit extract. It says rich in vitamin C and A. Cranberry extract helps protect the skin from harmful environmental factors, while also adding moisture to protect the skin barrier and stimulate collagen production. And then kombu extract. This ingredient helps reduce damage from free radicals while also protecting and moisturizing the skin. It's the retail value of $2. I don't know that I've tried a cranberry mask. So that's at least two that I have not. Well, and I don't know that I've tried hydrangea. I have had a mask with blueberry in it. So that's what I just love the variety. All right, so our final mask is from Nature Charcoal Purifying Black Sheet Mask. A charcoal sheet mask packed with ingredients that help clarify and exfoliate. Why we love it? This sheet mask helps renew our skin by sloughing off dead skin cells, cleansing pores, and delivering hydrating and illuminating ingredients directly to our skin. We love that our skin is so clear, smooth, and supple after using this. Key ingredients are apple fruit extract, a skin restoring ingredient that helps add moisture to the skin as well as provide a gentle exfoliation, and charcoal powder. This ingredient helps to purify the skin by drawing out bacteria and impurities, leaving the skin clearer. So I do love a good charcoal mask. So that is awesome. So we have the charcoal purifying mask. We have the cranberry plumping mask. We have the hydrangea and blueberry. What did it say this one did? This is the lace mask. Moisturizing, refreshed, hydrated. So there's that guy. And then the Everyday Almond, which is a skin strengthening mask. So I'm actually really excited to try all four of these. And I think they are all perfect for the cooler months. And it is, you guys, it is cold as all get out here. We usually do not get this cold until like January. And I'm 35 and I've lived here my entire life, but I'm telling you, it's like every year it hits me. I'm like, oh yeah, we don't have a fall or spring. We have summer where it's 80 plus, or we have winter where it's like 40 and below. There's no in between. Right now we're at the 40 and below. So, let me know what you guys thought about the video about the sheet mask. Do you get FACETORY? Do you enjoy it? If not, like I said, I will put a link down below if you'd like to sign up. That will get you some bonus masks on your first month. So I hope you guys, again, enjoyed the video. Don't forget about those giveaways, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.